So it was a Sunday. It was really nice outside, really good weather. The back door was open, so Mia was upstairs in the bedroom, shouted her down for Sunday lunch. She came down, we all sat eating his dinner, and I just noticed thick black smoke outside. So I run outside thinking it was my next door neighbour because she's quite old. I panicked a bit and noticed it was coming from Mia's bedroom window. So when we realised it was our house, obviously my husband went upstairs to investigate, run back down. We got the kids out, we got the pets out, and I've run the fire brigade, and they just told us to stay out of the house until the fire engines got here. I didn't know how it had started. Obviously it was in Mia's room, so I turned to Mia, "What's happened?" And straight away she told me it were a candle and just broke down.
I could hear my phone going in the kitchen. I went in the kitchen, saw it was Mr. Barnes. When I picked up the call, first thing he said was, "We've had a house fire." I jumped in the car straight away, came round to the house, then straight away the initial things kick in, right, what we need to do, who we need to contact, don't touch anything, everything's made safe, get photos of everything what's burnt.
Using an advisor saved time, effort and money. Getting somebody else to do it for you that knows what they're doing, such as Rich, is perfect. It really made us think differently about home insurance because we didn't actually have it, which shocked me.
I think sometimes the problem with insurance products is the clients don't fully understand what they're actually covered for. So they'll think, for example, they're covered for one thing, but they're not actually covered for it. The best thing I've learned to do over the last 2 years is actually sit down with the client and make sure they fully understand what they're covered for, what their needs are, and give them the examples of a fire, of what happens if something was damaged, so they can relate to the product. This case with Kerry and Gav is just a pure example that the product's there to protect you and to protect your house.
Speaking to him made you more vigilant and actually look through what insurances you've got. Whereas if I did it on my own, I probably wouldn't get it right. I would have probably missed out accidental cover, which Rich obviously advised me to take out. It just said it'd probably be a good idea to take it out with having children and pets. Having the Payment Shield policy in place gave us peace of mind. The price, what kind of price can you put on to keep your family safe? A couple of days after our fire, there was another fire a couple of streets away. Totally gutted the whole of the upstairs, but they weren't insured. And to this day, none of it's fixed because they didn't have insurance. The claim was handled fantastic from start to finish. The insurance paid for the ceiling, the windows, the flooring, the replastering, all the decorating, all got redone throughout the whole of the upstairs through smoke damage.
I've worked with Payment Shield for coming up to 2 years now. The experience I've got with them, dealing with claims, obviously dealing with the sales, I would absolutely say they're amazing.
The experience has changed the way I feel about home insurance because, like a lot of people, I think people are quite blasé with it. And to me now, you have car insurance, you have travel insurance. Why wouldn't you protect the place where you live and you bring your family up? My opinion is of Payment Shield that I would just recommend them to everybody. They've just done an amazing job for us.